mashed potatoes. What could go wrong? Easy, right? The first time I made them, they came out like glue, and then I learned a couple of little tips that made all the difference. So for today's quick bite, I'm going to show you a very basic and very simple buttermilk mashed potato recipe. So let's get started. The main reason my potatoes would come out gummy and gluey is because I thought I'd be fancy and put them through a food processor. No, no, no. The best way to mash them is with a good old-fashioned potato masher. Scoop them into a bowl, and that's all there is to it. So remember, melt your butter first, use a potato masher, and add your ingredients little by little until you get the consistency you want. Enjoy!